Hello. Um, Editing and formatting your code is very essential and very handy when someone is reading and maintaining it. So let's say I have here a sample query. Now, if you highlight a particular code, you are just simply highlighting like this what I'm doing. But there's a trick on how you can do a block selection. So by doing Alt and Shift together and dragging your mouse, then you can highlight a particular block on your code. Now, doing this as well. So let's say line 2 is not somehow aligned with 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I can just simply do the same, Alt and Shift, hold it, then click, that I can press tab to make it all of them align. Now, this this is also applicable in your style sheet. I'll do the same here. See, and also in your JavaScript. So let's say I have a code here that I want to be in tab position. There you go. So I hope this helps in when you are doing formatting, and have a nice day.